Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set visibility options on the map on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below, which is the first option in the left side corner. Click on visibility, which is the second section in the settings, and here you can find these options such as ADS-B, GPS-based aircraft tracking technology, so you can tap it, turn it on, such as the space-based one. The time difference of arrival based aircraft tracking technology can be turned on as well as the ONG one. The US-Canada radar estimations can be set on these from 15 to 240. You can also turn on the types of traffic features such as airborne aircraft, aircraft on ground, ground vehicles and gliders. So if you want to turn off any of these, just go back to this section and tap on the yellow button in the right side and they will be shown in the map. So here you can check them out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.